Tired of messy notebooks and scattered ideas? Let's dive into creating professional research boards right here in Adobe Photoshop first. Open Photoshop and create the new document. Choose a size appropriate for your needs, like a standard A4 or letter size, and consider your preferred display orientation, such as portrait or landscape. A crucial element for any good research board is a clear structure. Start by adding some guides to help you with layout. Later, drag guides from the rulers at the top and side of your document to create margins and define sections. To segment your board, create several layers. Name these layers to reflect the sections of your research board. For example, one layer could be for images, another for text, and another for the title. Use the rectangular marquee tool to neatly box your sections and organize images and text. Be sure to name your layers for easy access. Next, let's bring in our visual elements. Drag and drop your images directly into your Photoshop document. Position and resize them using the transform tool to fit within your layout. You can also add a border to elevate your images. Now, let's add our text. Select the type tool and use it to create your text boxes. Adjust the font, size, and color to match the visual. Experiment with different fonts and sizes to create hierarchy and make important elements stand out. Arrange your images and text within your layout, ensuring good spacing and visual balance. Consider highlighting key findings using larger text or bold fonts. Play around with different layouts, such as those with sections, lists, and columns that fit your needs to brainstorm ideas. Your research board is complete. Use it to brainstorm your findings and present ideas, easily shareable or printable. With these simple steps, you can create visually appealing and effective research boards in minutes. #researchboard #Photoshop tips.